So welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm your host. So today I'm going to talk about the number of moon uh, a planet do have. So first of all, let's go with Mercury. So we know that we solar system has total 8 planet. So number one is our moon. Oh, sorry, Mercury. Let me show you. Yo, this one Mercury. Uh, is it visible? Oh, wait a second. I think I can't. Okay, we can't see it. So you can see first one is Mercury. Mercury has 0 moons. Now next to it we have Venus. So it also has 0 moons. Now third number is Earth, our favorite planet. Earth has 1 moon. Ha, you know about. Now next one is oh, number 4, Mars. Oh, wait. What? Oh, this is the Earth moon. So this is Mercury. Oh, how to go back? Oh, okay. If I click it, okay, I understand. I'm a little new at this video making, so sorry for delay. Uh, wait. Where was we? I think we Mars. Yeah, Mars. Let's click on Mars. So Mars has 2 moons. Can we see it? No, we can't see it. Now let's go for number 5. Where is our Jupiter? Number 5 planet Jupiter. So Jupiter has 95 moons, which is massive. So you can see the Jupiter. Wow, beautiful. You can see are these moons. I think okay. Now we have Saturn. So it has 274 moons, which is the massive. So let me click on Saturn. Wait. So Saturn has 274 moons, which is the largest among the 8 planets. You can see these beautiful drawings. Wow, beautiful. The universe is beautiful. Now uh, all we left with the 2 planets, which is not important. I think this one, uh, number 7 planet Uranus. It has 28 moons. And Neptune's, let's click on Neptune. uh, oh, this looks blue, beautiful. Neptune has 16 moons. So that's all in this video. Oh, this Neptune have rings. Whoa, is it wow, beautiful. What is this? Is it a moon? Oh yeah, this is the moon. This is a Neptune moon. Wow, beautiful. It's not look like a similar to our moon. uh Beautiful. Oh, this is the name Triton. Whoa, Neptune. Where is the other moons? This is interesting. This is our planet system, solar system. So that's all. Let me show you if our, oh wait a second. Oh, hi, this our sun. This is the sun. I think this is going to be perfect for thumbnail. Thank you for watching this boring video. Ha ha ha.